Hello everybody, I'm RIKIN Modi once again welcoming you all in Academic Genie. Friends, in this video segment, I'm gonna tell you or I'm gonna shoot session or demo session for 7-band speaking topic. So I'm gonna call one of my student. Her name is Omsri. I'm going to give her a cue card question and she would speak for this cue card. So we are gonna cover three things: intro part, cue card part, and counter questions. So let's welcome Omsri. Omsri, please come. Hello, sir.
Hi, good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
That's good. I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Yeah.
All right, Omsri. So, are you ready? So, let's start with intro part first. Could you please tell me what is the meaning of your name?
Okay. So my name is Om Shri. Combination of God. That means Om Shri. Om means shift and Shri means wealth. Combination of them makes my name Om Shri.
All right. Can you please tell me which city you belong to?
I belong to Ahmedabad and that is economic capital of Gujarat.
Okay. And what are the places or tourist destinations in your city which you would like to explain?
There are a couple of places in Ahmedabad which are must to visit, like Sidi Syed Mosque, Sabarmati Ashram, Riverfront and Kankaria Lake.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, definitely.
All right. And what other countries have you traveled till now?
I have been to Australia and Singapore.
Now, Omsri, I'm going to give you a cue card, a small chit. You can write everything on the chit and you will be given a 1 minute time. And you need to write complex words or idioms or whatever you think which are essential for this speaking topic. Before Omsri starts, friends, for your reference, I'm going to tell you that what you should cover in this speaking topic. First, why you like this weather, seasons, complex words, idioms, phrases and collocations, and you have to make sure that you use all three tenses: past, present and future. So this is the way you could prove your English proficiency. So let's start with the cue card part. You will be having a minute to write down your topic related words and whatever you like in your cue card part. So this is your cue card and I'm going to give you 1 minute to think on this particular topic. Friends, for your reference, you can see on the screen the cue card question. Describe your favorite weather. What kind of weather it is? When this weather usually occurs? What you usually do during this weather? Explain how this weather affects you and explain why you like this type of weather.
Thank you. Well, I feel very lucky to live in such a part of a country where I can experience all the different kind of seasons. There are mainly 5 seasons: summer, winter, autumn, spring and monsoon. I personally enjoy each and every weather. However, here I would like to elaborate my favorite season, and that is cold days. Cold days are a part of a winter season, and winter season usually occurs from November to February. The best part of this season is that my birthday falls in November. Interestingly, I always like cold days, not only because of the bone chilling months, but also I can wear different kinds of clothes. During cold days, flowers bloom and the nature remains at its best. I can feel that the entire flora has worn the colorful attires. In cold days, I feel a cold breeze and I can see the greenery all around. In this season, my mind gets rejuvenated and it feels like the earth, everything on the earth looks charming and adorable. I adore the sunshine. In the cold days. Every morning I go to the balcony and sit there and feel the sense of freshness, and that keeps me energetic throughout the day. On the other hand, if I talk about the summer days, I don't like summer weather because of the scorching heat, and sometimes my skin gets tanned because of the heat. If I talk about monsoon, I don't like monsoon season because the water is scattered everywhere and sometimes it falls like cats and dogs, and the air is very ramp. It is ramp air. Apparently, I love the winter season, because there are many festivals which falls during the month November and February. One of the biggest festival of India is Diwali. Diwali is known as the festival of lights. I fire crackers with my friends, and I meet with my dear and near ones. I go to their house, gift them, and eat sweets with them. Nowadays, we have witnessed a huge change in the atmospheric condition because of the global warming, which is created by the humans, and because of that, we are experiencing rise in temperature. In future, if I get a chance, then I would like to work with NGOs and spread awareness around the world. So yeah, I like the cold days. I like the cold days. Cold days gives me pleasure, joy, and fills my life with happiness.
Wow, fabulous. So let's go for counter questions part. So Omsri, as you told that you visited Singapore, so what weather or what climate you experienced in Singapore?
Okay, in Singapore there are mainly two weathers, rainy and sunny. In a week it will rain for 4 days, and there would be sun for 2 days. So it is fully rainy weather overall in a year.
And what was your experience traveling abroad?
Overall, it was a mesmerizing experience to travel to Singapore and Melbourne, Australia. Singapore is crowded with metropolitan people, and there are many tourist places like Marina Bay Sands, Merlion, Gardens by the Bay, and the Jewel Changi Airport. Where Australia is very famous for the Opera House and Harbour Front, which is situated in Sydney. Melbourne, if I talk about Melbourne, then Melbourne is very windy and it has very cold breeze. So personally, I like Melbourne city very much.
Would you like to settle in one of the country which you explained?
No, but yes, definitely. I would like to settle in one of the countries like Australia. My first and foremost goal is to study in Australia, and if I get opportunity to get settled in Australia, then I will grab it with both my hands.
And as you told, winter is your favorite season. Which are the other country you would like to visit in next future?
I am a kind of a person who is very near to nature. I would like to visit a place which is fully nature bliss, and that is Switzerland. Switzerland is called the heaven of the earth. It is very well known for the landlocked mountainous countries in the whole world. It is well known for the activities like skiing, paragliding, and hiking. The very famous cities of the Switzerland are Geneva and Zurich.